Conversions are actions like buying something or signing up on your website. If you are paying for ads to get people to your site, you have to know which ads work best and get more conversions. Hey, my name is Abir. Today I will show you how to track your Google Ads conversions using Google Tag Manager. This will help you figure out which of your ad campaigns are doing well. So let's begin learning how to track conversions with Google Ads and Google Tag Manager. When it comes to conversion tracking, the first step is defining your end goal for your Google Ads campaign. You want to think about what specific action you want users to take when they land on your website. After clicking on your ads, for example, let's say I'm running an ad campaign and I want people who visit my website to submit a lead form or a contact form. In other words, they need to land on a particular page, enter their name, phone number, email, and message, and then submit the form. In this case, the conversion occurs when someone successfully submits the lead form. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to Google Ads and create a conversion. This step is crucial because it provides us with additional parameters that we'll need to include in Google Tag Manager. In the Google Ads interface, click on Goals and the conversion summary. And I don't have any conversion right now. So I'm making a new one. Select the new conversion and select the website and enter your website domain here. Scan and select on create conversion action manually using code. Then we will see how to set up the enhanced conversions. I select the conversion action manually. Goals and action optimization. My goal is submit lead form. Enter your conversion name and select the conversion value. This is lead form tracking, means here is no value, but also you can keep it one. And this is a mandatory count. Select how many conversions to count per click on interaction. If your website will be e-commerce, then you should select the every. And this is my lead submitted conversion. I will select the one. One means recommended for leads, signups, and other conversion because only the first interaction is billable. This is the mandatory for lead form. Select one because if your user are submit the multiple time form, if you not select the one, the conversion will collect the every conversion. That's why we have to select the one, and you can keep this as it is, no problem. We don't need to change here. And attribution model is data driven recommended, and if I select the enhanced conversion, done. And if I select the agree and continue. Now when I go to the use Google Tag Manager, and you can see here is my conversion ID and here is the submitted conversion value, and the value means this is the conversions level. Okay, now we have to go on Google Tag Manager. Here is my Google Tag Manager container, and this Tag Manager container is already connected on my website. And if I go to tags and new one, select the tag configuration and select the Google Ads. Select the Google Ads conversion tracking, and here is recommended is a conversion ID. If I go on Google Ads, here is our Google Ads ID. Copy this and paste it on, and here is the conversion level is conversion. Here is the conversion level. And the conversion value is you can ignore this or you can send it one, your conversion value. Okay, we can send it, and we don't have any transaction ID, that's why we are not sending. And the currency code, we don't have any currency code, and this is from conversion value and conversion currency code transaction ID is for e-commerce. And if I go down, here is the triggering when our conversion is will work. If I make it trigger, I select the trigger configuration and page view. Select the some pages, and my trigger will be page path is a thank you page. If I submit the form, and you can see here is my trigger. This is redirecting to thank you page after submit the form. I go to Tag Manager, page view some pages, and page path is contents. There is the thank you. And your trigger will be different. My trigger is page path, and my tag configuration name will be Google Ads conversion lead form. Save it. If I go to preview mode and enter my website URL and connect, and you can see here is my tag is not fired. Here is my tag. Google Ads conversion tracking lead form tag. If I enter my information on form, if I submit the form, and it's redirecting to thank you page. If I go to tag assistant preview, you can see here is our tag is fired, lead form tag is fired. That's mean our Google Ads conversion is working. If I select the container loaded, select the Google Ads conversion, you can see here is our conversion ID and conversion level, and firing triggers is lead form submitted. Now if I go to our Google Ads conversion, if I select done, you will see tag is inactive, but it will take time. After 1 hour or 20 minutes later, it will be no recent conversions. You can see our Google Ads submitted lead form conversion is now working. Now talk about enhanced conversion. I go to the submitted lead form. If I go to the edit setting, if I select the enhanced conversion. And what is enhanced conversion? Enhanced conversion is a feature that makes tracking your ad result more accurate. It helps you understand better how much you earn from your ads. This can lead to a smarter choice in how you spend your advertising budget. Let's see how to track form information like first name, phone name, email, and etc. Enhanced conversion track is not easy on lead form if you are not familiar on JavaScript code. And let's see how I track enhanced conversion for Google Ads conversion. And if I enter my information on form, I enter my phone number, any dummy phone, and enter my test at gmail.com. If I inspect the form name and copy JSpath. If I go to console, I select the clear console and paste on the copy JSpath. You can see the form name is detecting. That is, if I copy this JSpath query selector from field name, I go to now tag manager. You have to create a custom tag. I select the tag configuration, custom HTML, and write a script. This is opening script, and here is the closing script. Now write var name equal and paste your copy JSpath and close this. Again, if I go to the number, again go to the inspect and copy JSpath. I go to tag manager and you can see it will work, no problem. You can see here is the phone number is showing, that's means our JSpath code is working. If I go to tag manager again, if I write var phone, enter my JSpath code, close this. If I again email, I copy the email JSpath code, I go to tag manager and close this. Here is our name, phone, email. Now we have to push this form field on our data on our local storage. If I again go to the form option, select the inspect the form. If I go to the console or application, if I select the local storage, you can see here is not value showing. Let's see what happening after I push the form field on my website using Google Tag Manager. I write on window dot local dot set item. Here will be full name. Again, so we have to push using this method window dot local storage. If I copy and paste it For next will be local storage phone, and it will be named phone. The other one is email. And this is how I can track the form field value. Now our triggering option. I select the triggering. If I go to the tag assistant, if I select the send option, if I click, go to variables, here is our click class ID. If I go to the triggering, select the add new, select all elements, sum, clicks, click class, contents or equal, and select. Now if I preview again using tag manager, if I connect, select the connect. If I submit my information, if I select the send button, click. If I go to the inspect application, local storage, and we have to get this. This is our set item tag, and we have to get these two variables. Go to the variables, and if I select user defined variable, select the variable configuration and go to the JavaScript, custom JavaScript, and right here function, and close this function, enter return, right return window dot, and get item name will be email. Okay, and this is the user variable, name will be email. I select the custom JavaScript and write again function, and our this variable will be phone. The third one is will be name. If I again write the function, and that's it, and save it. Now let's see our variable is working or not. If I close this preview mode and again go to the preview, I enter my website, connect, I enter my information, enter my email, and if I select the send, and if I go to tag instant preview mode and click option variable, you can see our user variable email, name, phone number is collecting. If I go to the thank you page and inspect it, if I go to the application, click the local storage, you can see here is our name, phone is collecting. Here is our email, here is our name, here is our phone is collecting. And now how to send these user information conversions for enhanced. If I go to Google Tag Manager, if I again go to the variables, select a new variable configuration and select the user information, user provide data, and select your email, variable name, email, select the phone and select the name, and save this, user provide data, save this. If you want to track the accurate enhanced, you have to must be created first name and last name from field, phone, email, and country, and zip code. If I go to Google Tag Manager, select the tags, select the Google as conversion tag in lead form. If I select the include user provide data, you will see here is our user provide data for Google Ads here is showing. And if I go again, if I submit container, I publish, If I click the preview mode again, I enter my information, enter my email. If I select send, go to tag assistant, you can see our two tag is firing. CHTML push the enhanced data alert, and this Google Ads conversion lead form is firing. If I go container loaded, if I select Google Ads conversion tracking, select the show more, you can see provide enhanced conversion value that is sending on this Google Ads conversion. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up conversions tracking in Google Ads. If you found this video useful, please show your support by hitting the thumbs up button below. And if you are eager to learn more about Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics, please consider subscribing to our channel. I'm Abir and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care. Have a great day.